it is that time of the year where I again decide I want to do something different to my hair and like color it a different way. So I am going to leave to the salon now and take you along with me as I show you what I'm getting done to my hair, and it's something I want to do for a while now and I found very interesting, and come with me.
Tell me about the haircut.
So I wanted, again like last time in the front, like curtain bangs in a way, a little bit. And for the back I just wanted to trim, like I have a lot of dead, just trim whatever is dead or split ends.
So we don't have any style at the moment because it's been a long time.
Yeah.
Right. And
I generally just like it simple without too many layers and stuff because of the color, and my hair is really long.
So we get rid of this entire colored part. You're okay with that?
Yeah.
Or,
I mean, if it's dead, it makes sense to get rid of it.
Let's just get rid of it. The color to be done
so,
right behind the ear.
Yeah. So I wanted this part sort of.
Rita?
So that when I leave my hair, it's covered. But if I do like this, then you can see. So we started off with a haircut. I was a little nervous about cutting off the pink, but I was excited to see what it would be like. And now after this, I convinced him to do something as part of a reel. You okay being in the video?
Of course, of course.
Awesome.
Alright, this is on. Yeah.
After that, we went on to the curtain bangs. Basically, he twisted it and then adjusted to my chin and then trimmed it and just saw what it would look like with the hair. And then we felt like it should be a little shorter, a little more framing the face, so trimmed it a little bit more so it chops, like cuts off at my chin and gives that really nice curtain bang effect. Nice.
Yeah.
Love it.
Right.
Now it was time to section the hair to bleach. So we were kind of deciding how much of it we wanted to bleach. I ended up going with a little less slimmer section than I originally planned. I'm now really glad I did. Now he's sectioning the hair to bleach it. As you can see, like very small sections are being used because you want the bleach to cover the hair completely. Otherwise there's going to be like patchy bits where it's dark or it's orange. So now he's applying the bleach mixture and covering each part with aluminium foil, and that helps trap in the heat and make sure that bleach really pulls out all the pigment from your hair. By the time the other side of the hair was done, the first side already started showing up bleach. So this is what it looks like.
It goes further. So let's
It looks pretty light actually.
It does. So I think we will leave it on.
Okay.
So I guess another like 30 minutes will straight away wash. It looks good to me.
It looks much lighter than the last time.
Yeah. At one shot.
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Did you change the formula or something?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, so I'm done. I'm waiting for the bleach to process. It's going to take like half an hour more. It's looking pretty blonde already, so hopefully I'll be done. And then I'm going to get more hands. Okay, I'll see you in half an hour.
Okay.
Wow. It is so light.
Looks good to me.
It looks really good to me.
More than enough for an orange.
Yeah.
Light enough. It's already on a level 9.
And good enough to level the orange with another color also later, right?
Of course. And I'm gonna cut down the yellow.
Okay.
With another product now with the wash.
Okay.
So it'll be sorted.
Yay!
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. We are good then.
Awesome.
You can catch up with your friends for momos.
Yay! Momo time!
Alright, give me 2 minutes.
Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Wow. When the purples become pink also, nice.
Yeah, we try to avoid it as much as we
that's
could.
fine. That's
but
fine.
yeah, a little of it would turn a little pink, so.
Wow,
Yep.
actually it's really nice. And now it's time to wash my hair. So when you're washing it out, you wash it out and then they applied purple shampoo on it, and this is basically to cut out any of the brassiness, like the orangish bits that you feel, and to have a more like a light blonde look, which is really good if you want to put vibrant hair. They were drying it and I was so excited to see the underlights. I was like, ah, so nice. Then we started blow drying the hair and realized that 1 was not enough, 2 is better than 1. And yeah, we're styling it. I can't wait to see what happens.
Alright, ready to see.
Yes!
Alright.
Woo!
Okay.
It looks awesome.
Hope so.
Oh, nice. Though only a small section was bleached,
Yeah.
it looks like a lot has been colored.
Yeah. It's always like that when you pre-lighten even a small strand, it stands out. So visually it's so heavy, so you feel it's a lot of hair. And your curtain bands.
Yeah. I feel like a superstar. Yes, it's what it looks like. Guys, surprise!
Oh my god.
What do you think of my hair? Hey, don't laugh. That's not the reaction you're looking for. Okay, what do you think of my hair? Honest opinion. Thanks. You're still laughing, Joanna. Nice?
Really nice, really nice.